Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a granny square with a 4-petal flower in the center. From just one square like this, you can create so many different things. A blanket, a rug, a bag, or even a simple coaster. Here's what we'll need. 2 different yarn colors. I'm using Simply yarn, which is a recycled cotton yarn about 2 millimeters thick. I'll be working with a 3.0 millimeters crochet hook, along with scissors and a yarn needle. Let's start with a magic ring using the green yarn first. Wrap the yarn around your pinky. Pull it across your index finger, and wrap it twice around your middle finger. Insert your hook under the 2 loops. Grab the yarn from your index finger, pull it through, and make 1 chain. That's how we make a magic ring, and we'll work right into this loop. Chain 1, and this counts as 1 double crochet. Then make 11 double crochets into the ring. Pull the tail to close it tightly, and now we have a circle with 12 double crochets. Cut the yarn and make a faux V-stitch to join. Insert your hook from back to front under both loops of the first double crochet. Pull the yarn through. Then go into the back loop of the 11th double crochet. Pull the yarn through, and you'll see a nice even V at the join. This gives a neater finish compared to a slip stitch. That's our flower center done. Now switch to white yarn for the petals. Make a slip knot and place it on your hook. Yarn over once. Insert your hook into any stitch from the center and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 for a half double crochet. Make another half double crochet into the same stitch. In each stitch around, work 2 half double crochets. By the end of the round, you'll have 24 stitches. Slip stitch into the first half double crochet to close the round. For the next round, we'll shape the petals and continue with white yarn. Start in the stitch right next to the slip stitch. The slip stitch itself counts as the skip stitch. In this stitch, make a double crochet. Then an extended double crochet by yarning over, inserting your hook, pulling up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2. After that, make a treble crochet in the same stitch. So in the same stitch, we have 1 double crochet, 1 extended double crochet, and 1 treble crochet. In the next stitch, work 3 treble crochets. In the stitch after that, do the reverse. 1 treble crochet, 1 extended double crochet, and 1 double crochet, all in the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch, then slip stitch into the next. That completes our first petal. Let's move on to the second petal. Skip 1, then work 1 double crochet, 1 extended double crochet, and 1 treble crochet in the same stitch. Then all 3 treble crochets in the next stitch. Then 1 treble crochet, 1 extended double crochet, and 1 double crochet all in the next stitch. Finally, skip 1 and slip stitch into the next. Repeat 2 more times so you will have 4 petals in total. Repeat. Skip 1, work 1 double crochet, 1 extended double crochet, and 1 treble crochet in the same stitch, then 3 treble crochets in the next, then 1 treble crochet, 1 extended double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the next, skip 1 and slip stitch to finish. Cut the yarn and leave the tail at the back. Now let's turn this flower into a square. Switch back to the green yarn. Make a slip knot and place it on your hook. Yarn over twice. Then look at the petal. In the cluster of 3 treble crochets in the middle, we'll work into the second treble. Insert into this stitch, pull up a loop and work for a treble crochet. chain 1, then make another double treble crochet in the same stitch. This makes the first corner. In the next stitch, make an extended double crochet and a double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Followed by an extended double crochet in the next stitch. In the space between 2 petals, work a treble crochet right in the middle. Then mirror what we just did. 1 extended double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 double crochet. Then in the next same stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1 extended double crochet. That is one side of the square done. Repeat the same steps for the remaining 3 sides. For each new side, start again in the second treble crochet of the 3 treble cluster. I'll leave the pattern on the screen for you to follow along. Once you've finished all 4 sides, cut the yarn, leave a tail. Join with a faux V stitch just like before. Weave in and secure the ends on the back. And that's it. Your 4-petal flower granny square is finished. You can make it bigger by adding more rounds if you like. From this square, you can create a blanket, a rug, a bag, anything you want. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and make a lovely granny square for yourself. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more crochet projects. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.